Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm not ready to go up on the roof yet, but I wanted to make a couple of changes for safety's sake. You'll notice that this is my main bus, and this is where all of the solar panel wires come in. These are 12 gauge wire, very nice stuff, all aluminum, flexible wire, coated with a weatherproof, sunproof, ultraviolet resistant coating, so they can handle quite a bit of current. But what you'll notice up to this point, I've only been running a couple of panels. You see the red and black wires coming off of the bus over to the charge controller. Well, what is happening right now is we're pushing a lot more current than we were by adding additional panels. So we need to upsize the wire for safety. The wires become warm. I think what I have here is probably 6 or 8 gauge wire. This little gadget that you see right here will tell me what the temperature of things are. It's a laser temperature meter. And you can see the ambient temperature here in the garage on the wall is about 64 degrees Fahrenheit. And if we move up here to the wire, this wire is warming up. It's about 75 degrees. If you touch it, you can feel it's much warmer than the environment. The terminals here are around 90 degrees. The battery terminal, same thing. So, you know, I want to be safe. What I'm going to do is make up some new jumpers out of this 12 gauge wire. Actually, I think I misspoke earlier. This is probably more like 14 or 16 gauge wire, so it's much thinner. Alright, that's the next thing we're going to do. The batteries, you'll notice the terminals on them are nice and cool. I'll get my meter to look right here. And we have 2-watt cable connecting the batteries because we're going to be pulling a lot of current between batteries when our inverter kicks on. It's a 10 kilowatt inverter, and the more that you turn on, the more juice goes through these batteries and through this 2-watt cable. Alright, I'm going to reinforce that and I will be back.